students. Welcome back to our classes. Last time we had completed our chapter Rise of Nazism or Hitler. I hope you all must have completed. As soon as you complete your notes, don't forget to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now in today's class, we will be taking Geography lesson number 2, Physical Features or Physical Divisions of India. Now, first thing, tectonic plates and types. You must be wondering how our earth is made up of. Our earth is like a jigsaw puzzle made up of small parts which are called as tectonic plates. Okay, these are the terms, keep in your mind. So the large pieces of earth crust by which earth is made up of is called tectonic plates, and all these plates are joined with each other like a jigsaw puzzle and form the earth. There are around 7 major and 12 minor plates. Now, types of tectonic plates. They are of two types, continental plates and oceanic plate. We all know that if we talk about our whole earth, there are 7 continents and 5 major oceans. So same way, from that only the plate term also we have added tectonic plates. Now, theory of tectonic plate. This is a theory according to which our earth is made up of different tectonic plates. It means when the scientists have found out, so that theory is called as the theory of tectonic plates. Now, asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is the semi-solid layer over which our tectonic plates keep on moving from one place to another. Now, movement of tectonic plates. We don't feel these movements, but actually these tectonic plates are always moving. But sometimes when earthquake is there or something is there, then only we can feel that there is something movement inside the earth's crust or inside our earth. Now let's see in what manners these tectonic plates are moving. There are 3 types of movements which we also call as tectonic plate movements. Okay. Now first is the converging movement or the converging plates. By the name only it's clear. In this, 2 tectonic plates come closer to each other. Okay. Now suppose in this both are continental plates, so because the power is same, they will be creating fold or a mountain. But suppose one continental and other oceanic plate is there, they will be creating a fault because the oceanic plate will be going down. Next is diverging movement. Diverge means moving away. When 2 tectonic plates move away from each other, that is called as diverging movement or diverging tectonic plates. By it they create the sea or oceanic bed. Now third one is to and fro movement or transforming movement. Suppose the tectonic plates move to and fro, means backward and forward. Then this thing happens, and naturally the new land boundaries or areas are created by this type of movement. Now in this also you can easily see, this is the converging movement in which the 2 tectonic plates are coming closer to each other. This is to and fro, or you can say transforming activity, and this is moving away. Okay, so this way you can say these are the 3 types of movement. Now here you can see so many lines are there. These are the lines where the tectonic plates join with each other. Now these areas are prone to earthquake and volcanic activities also. Now next is physical divisions of India. Suppose we see the map of India. Now what thing do we observe? Okay. Now in that you can observe the different thing. First, suppose we observe the northern part, we observe the Himalayas. Then below that we observe the fertile plain area. If we come towards the western side, we see desert area. Then the central part is coming your plateau area, which is rich in minerals. Then your coastal plain areas, then the islands. So same way, this way we can see the physical divisions of India are the Himalayas or northern mountain, the northern fertile plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the island groups. 2 island groups are there. In today's class, till here only. In next class, we will continue and see how the Himalayas were formed, northern fertile plains were formed, and what are their important features. I hope you all must be liking this chapter. It is very interesting. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. See you.